Hi everyone. So I'm gonna show you, this is the pink high heels and we're going to dangle the shoes while watching the sunset. It's quiet here and I'm gonna show more of my heels so that you can see my shoes. Some of my shoes is private, so I posted it on private. So now you see it. This is the pink stiletto heels. I have black, green, yellow. So I'm gonna make more shorts of these heels. So how do you like it? So this one is not sponsored video. It's from Shoes is from Shein. That's all for now and I see you next.